Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. So today we're going to talk about natural log integrals, and you know how we roll. We're going to talk about our goal first. Our goal is to get all of these integrals in the form 1 over u, because this is going to integrate to the ln absolute value of u plus c, and u is going to be our denominator. So this is what u is going to be. Obviously, it's going to get trickier when you have to decide what type of integral it is, but right now we're just going through the basics so you can practice. Okie dokie, let's do it. So u is the denominator, 2x plus 4. du is 2 dx, and dx is du over 2. I find integrating and anti-deriving very soothing, but I also teach AP Calculus for a living, so there you go. All right. We're only going to plug in for what I underlined and circled. So we're going to have 1 over u. We're going to replace dx with du over 2. We always bring that number in front of the integral, 1/2 integral 1 over u du. And we reach my goal. Remember, this is my goal up here. I'll highlight it in yellow also, which kind of doesn't look that pretty, but whatever. So we reach my goal and we say, oh, this becomes the ln absolute value of u. We have a 1/2 in front. Substitute back in for u. Throw on a plus c. Call it a day. Just kidding, the school day just started. Okay, next. U equals x squared minus 3, because that's the denominator. Du is 2x dx. I think I can go a little bit faster. Dx is du over 2x. Only plug in for what I underlined. Remember, if your x's don't cancel, you are wrong. You made a mistake somewhere. And we're going to replace dx with du over 2x. My x's cancel. You're going to bring the 1/2 in front of the integral. Let's do this. We reached my goal. 1/2 ln absolute value of u plus c. Good. Okay. Last but not least, love a good trig 1 with natural log. So u is the denominator, and I'll talk about how I can spot its natural log in a second. So u is 1 plus tan x du. The derivative of 1 is 0. Tan x derives to secant squared x dx. And then dx is du over secant squared x. Only plug in for what I circled and underlined. So now we're going to have secant squared x over u, du over secant squared x. Secant squareds cancel. I reached my goal. I have 1 over u du. So this is just going to integrate to ln absolute value 1 plus tan x plus c. Okay. How do I know it's natural log? If you notice what I highlighted in pink, that's the denominator. The derivative of the denominator is in the numerator. It's just missing the constant. So like the derivative of 2x plus 4 is missing the 2. That's why there's a 1/2 in front. The derivative of x squared minus 3 is missing the 2 up here. That's why there's a 1/2 in front. And the derivative of this pink denominator is secant squared. So to spot that it's natural log, the derivative of the denominator is in the numerator. Okay? Bye-bye.